Hello and welcome to Nagaland News Network. Amikal Nogode Aji Teotono Nakro, who is the State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Nagaland. Talode ahina se amikan yede ahiadu Nagaland State TV disabilities kan luigina sin kan no kiniga jai se du olo photo di gulai se abi amikan mem lo de kutha guna in detail no lebe insights channel. Thank you so much for having your time, ma'am. Ma'am pula mi chanyo mun jado Nagaland DB with regards to disabilities kan idu senior kiniga se.
Obviously, the scenario has not been good for a very long time. I've been talking about this, every time I keep on talking about this because disability, as most of you all may be aware, it was a very neglected sector for a very long time, So there are many laws that are there in the country from many years ago, 1995, our first Disability Act was passed. Then, but in all these years, nothing much was done in our state. That is a fact, and I keep on saying that we have to be honest about our failings. If we want to move forward, improve ourselves, then we have to be honest about our failings. And when I talk about the neglect in our state, I'm not talking about one particular government. I'm not talking about one particular political party. It's everybody in general, all political parties, political leaders, our society as a whole, not much attention was paid to this sector, nothing much was done. Laws were not properly implemented. That's why we are in the situation that we are in now. We should have a lot more going, But then the thing is, because of all this neglect, a lot of things that should have been started a long time ago, it was not started. The services that are needed, the disability services that should have been there, it's still not there. The good thing is that a lot of progress, good progress, is being made in this, past few years. So we, of course, are very happy about that. We are finally, at least now moving in the right direction in many areas. So this is a very good thing that is happening in our state. But of course, as I said, because there are still, a lot of things that needs to be done. So we still have a lot of work that, much work ahead of us.
Ma'am, aji itu disability sange luigina ekta program bi chuli ase. Itu la program opo develop kuido. Like what was the need of this program today?
Today's program is about mokan itu ekta project Korea say dia itu in collaboration with the Prodigals Home here based in Dimapur. So we've come together to mokan Naga Manukan and then the non-Naga communities in our state are also, see, we all have different languages, different dialects. Even among the Nagas themselves also, we don't have a common Naga language. So mokanla itu tribes kande sob manubi alak words cholaigena disability describe kore, So we are not aware about what kind of words are used, by different tribes. Except my own tribe, I'm Angami, so I may know what is said in Angami, but then the other tribes, I don't know. So bring everyone together. Let us see how disability is described. Because historically, if you look at it, it's not only about Naga languages, Naga dialects, or Indian languages. It's about, the world over, different languages, even English. There are many, in olden days, those days, many words are there which are discriminatory in nature or, that gives out negative a connotation, the word may give out a negative vibe, where describes disability in a bad way. So many of these words are nowadays being done away with, and better words are being used, because when words, when we talk about words, we may not think much about it, but words are very important because when we talk about something in a negative way, then automatically our mindset, our attitude towards that also becomes negative, So when the disability, I think all tribes, that's why that is the reason we, that this project has been going on for some time, but we thought it'll be better, for all of us to come for a consultation, talk about these things. And so as I said earlier also in my speech, I was thinking, I guess, that most of the tribes, also, the words that we use, I think, are negative, about disability. So the intention is to bring all these things together. Let's see what it is, or how it is said in all the dialects, and then we can try and develop some new good words also, and maybe some common Naga words also to describe disability, different types of disability. And if there are some good words that are used in any tribe, in any of the tribes, then we can use those also as a common distinct Naga word. That is the idea behind this project.
Ma'am, do you also think that the state government or the department in general is providing or is helping to promote the disabled individuals here in our state?
There is a lot more that everyone, including the government, can do. There, as I said, because of the neglect in the past, and because of that, awareness is very poor. Even in the government sector, we have to acknowledge that. But of course, now a lot of work is being done with them also in the government sector, with the various departments. So the good thing is that awareness is improving, because even in the, among the officials, among the departments, if there is no proper awareness, why is something needed? It may be a law, and we may be saying comply with this law, implement this law. But if there is no proper understanding of why we need to implement that law, so if the proper understanding of disability and why this law is needed, to ensure that people with disabilities are getting equal opportunities. If government officials also, if the state government does, people in the government who need to implement these, if they do not understand it properly, then implementation will never be done properly. Now you can understand what I'm saying. Now, so that is what we're trying to do with the government also. We are working with various departments, conducting various kinds of workshops to create awareness about the various systems that need to be put in place, the various laws that needs to be implemented. So there is a lot of work for everyone, including the government, the state government, but steps are also being taken. Various actions are also happening in various areas. So we have to continue to work, and we hope that everyone will continue to work with us, cooperate also where necessary, and get the, these things moving as quickly as possible.
One last question, ma'am. Ma'am, do you also think that, especially in our state, Nagaland, people, look down or people discriminate towards a disabled person? What is your say on that, ma'am?
See, when it comes to that, in our Naga society, Naga society they do some societies, there's some incidents that we hear about. I too disabled who say, mula brother, mula sister, my son or daughter, enaguna takan ge pelai dise. Enega cases kantu mukhala culture dito enega tu nai. Ajikali ini stray cases kumba tu pai, hoi takan ge mistreat kurise enega bi thake. Holubi enega tu bishi nai. Holubi mukhan disabled manukan ge enega takan ge independent living na takan ge ki korbo pare kuri gina takan encourage kuri dise itu bi bishi komti ase mokhan do bishi bhardo takan ge over protect kuri gina na nijor bacha ge nijor sister khan ge takan ge bahar bi ulabo mon nai education bi pabole bi chance thakile bi manu takan ge jaile do kinega hobo enega laga bi bishi enega. That kind of feeling is also there. And many times, because of many misconceptions, beliefs that there are there about disability, this negative attitudes towards disability, I think in many of our tribes, the belief is there that disability is a curse. Kiba biya kura karne itu ahi ase family day, that kind of thing na. So enega, this kind of attitudes, it creates that stigma, a lot of shame also to admit disability. Enega to bishi ase na holle to mokan enega mistreat kurishe enega to bishi kumti ase obviously in our this thing, but because of unawareness, because of poor understanding of disability na enega takan ge discriminate kuribo koina bi na kure hobla holle bi discrimination to hoi jai na because of poor understanding of disability. So one of our biggest responsibilities and one of our biggest programs is, to to create more awareness. And then even the program the project that is ongoing now that we are talking about today, this also in its way, we do this project, we bring all these words together, try to develop some new words or see, what words we can use as a common Naga word. It is not just about the project, but we do something like this, it creates more awareness among the communities also, about disabilities. And that is the purpose, of this project. That is what we want to do.
Itu ajali moni personally disability manoni tani ajali like pishi talented, nale pishi creative thakina ami dikhi paise. So any words of encouragement you want to convey?
Yeah. I always say talented. This just as non-disabled people, disabled people also have their strengths, have their weaknesses. That's why nobody should be surprised that people with disabilities, they have so many different kinds of interests and so many different kinds of gifts and talents, and there are many. And to the young people with disabilities, I always, one thing that I always say from my own experience also, be proud of your disability, Disability is part of your identity. It is part of my identity. If it was not because of my identity, I would not be what I am today at this moment. So I am very, very proud of my, identity as a disabled woman. So what I always tell young people with disabilities is don't be ashamed of your disability ever. Be proud of it, and there will always be negative people around you. That is the way of the world, There will be people trying to put you down, people saying negative things about you, That is, the way of the world, So don't let those kind of things, limit you, You just push ahead, believe in your own dreams, believe in your abilities, in your own abilities, And you are much, much, much stronger than even you know it yourself, So you can do it. Always believe in yourself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.